Welcome back everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add background image in HTML. HTML background images help enhance the design of a web page. They can be set either on the whole page or on specific elements, and I'm going to give you 3 methods to do it. The first method is using the body background attribute. This method is outdated but still works. The modern approach is via SSS. For example, using this command would give you this output. The second method is using inline CSS with style. This is better since it uses CSS. You can apply a background to any element, not just body. Using this command in HTML gives you this output. And finally, the third method, which is using CSS in style, which is the most recommended. The most professional way is to define it in CSS. Using this command to get this output. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.